The person definitely sees that you're strong, you're fiery, you're earthy, and you're not to be messed with. They see you as tenacious, they see you as a fighter and that you've kept going. And what that's showing me is that they really see who you are as a person. Like, they see into your soul. The beautiful qualities that you have are not just on the outside, they're on the inside too. And they see this. They see you for who the person you are inside. And not many people see that. The more they see you, the more they admire you. The more they admire you, the more they desire you. And that makes them feel a little bit shy in coming forward. This person may feel that you are almost unicorn-like. And that may sound crazy, but they're giving me this energy that when they try to talk to you or when they want to approach you, there's like this, like, it's ridiculous. But it just comes through that they can't quite get there. Like, they fold at the last hurdle. The more they get to know you and watch you and view you and experience you, the more they get to see how unique and special and different you are. You are not like the people that they're used to, and they know that. And when they're with you or they're watching you, they're in your presence, there is this desire that they want you and that they desire you. But this feeling is almost like they don't know what to do with that. The attraction that this person has for you is through the roof. It's an energetic level. You can probably feel this attraction from them because the desire and the attraction is literally energy, and it heats them up. They get hot when they're around you. But this is past the physical attraction. This is mental attraction, and this is also energetic attraction. The energy you give off is a magnet to them. So when this person is around you and in your energy and they can feel this energy attraction, you make them feel like they want to be a better person. They want to push harder. They want to do better. They want to show up healthier. They know that their life would naturally elevate just by having you in it. So my spirit guides are telling me that his shadow aspect is telling him that you are out of his league and there is nothing he could do that adds to your life. Now, that's not the reality. That's what his fears are telling him. And that's what makes him choke when it comes to asking you out. Because it's not true. It's just their fears showing through. They actually would add to your life as you would add to theirs, but for different reasons. You would come together just like a little heart jigsaw puzzle. So those are the reasons that this person is like holding back, coming forward. And then all that translates as mixed signals. This person actually loves you, but they feel like they shouldn't because it's too soon. Oh, it's too fresh. I'm seeing a small percentage of the collective have actually tried dating this person before, but it didn't work out. Your person's watching your socials at night, photos, videos, things like that. Lying in bed, getting all cozy. They are trying to manifest you in. But the universe has already manifested you for each other because you're soulmates. You're meant to be together.